Hey guys, it's Mason with First and Finishing, and today I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Electron Plus 3 master units. So this being a factory reset means it's going to be returning to how it was fresh from the factory, which means you're going to lose all your preset programs, all your timers, and your hour meters. So if you want to keep any of that information, go ahead and write it down now. With that being said, I'll show you how to do it. To do the factory reset, you're going to hold this button and this button right here down at the same time. So hold these. It's going to say factory reset. When it does, you let go. It'll clear by itself. And now you're going to turn it off. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it back on. Let it run through its boot up screen. Now you're going to hold this button and this button down at the same time. Hold it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let go. And you're done. So you can see my hours were just reset, my trigger counter was just reset, and I no longer have any more countdown timers. So that's how you do the factory reset on your Electron Plus 3 master units. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me or check out our website at firstandfinishing.net. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.